A Snake Charmer Story Part 2, Class 5 EVS Chapter 2. Hello children, welcome back to Chapter 2, A Snake Charmer Story. As you know, some snake bites can even cause death on the spot. Do you think all the snakes are poisonous? Most of the snakes are not poisonous. Of the many kinds of snakes found in our country, only 4 types of snakes are poisonous, and they are cobra, common krait, Russell's viper and saw-scaled viper. Now children, let us see all these snakes.
It stretches longer than a car. Stands as tall as a human. And can inject a torrent of toxins with just one bite. It's the king cobra. And at up to 5.5 meters long, it's the longest venomous snake.
Yes.
It's
Done. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ ಎಷ್ಟುದ್ದ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ.
Viper. When this guy strikes, he's striking to bite every time. He strikes with his mouth wide open, his fangs extended, and he makes contact.
Just like this.
Now let us see the 4 types of poisonous snakes and try to identify them. So which snake is this? Yes, this is cobra. Now the next one. Which snake is this? Yes, right. This is common krait. And now the third one. Which snake is this? Yes, this is Russell's viper. And now the fourth one. Which snake is this? Yes, you are right. This is saw-scaled viper. Now let us see how does a snake bite. Look at this picture carefully. A snake has 2 hollow teeth called fangs. When a snake uses its fangs to bite, muscles force poison from its storage glands through a duct into the hollow fangs. Tiny holes at the ends of the fangs eject the poison directly into the prey. You can see the drop of poison being ejected from the fangs. There is a medicine for snake bite. The medicine is made from snake's poison and is available in all government hospitals. These days it is difficult for the snake charmers. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Do you know, today many animals are killed and their parts are sold. Tigers are killed for their skin, for home decor and status symbol. Tigers are also killed for their claws and teeth to make pendants for necklaces. Likewise, snakes are killed for their skin to make many things like shoes, belts, purse, jewelry. Rhinoceros is killed for horns, mainly to be used as medicine and as a status symbol. Elephants are killed for tusks used for manufacturing piano and organ keys, billiard balls, handles and objects of decorative value. Musk deer is killed for scent. Musk is a substance obtained from the male musk deer and has a strong smell. It is used in the highest grades of perfume. Musk is obtained from the musk pod in a pouch under the skin of the abdomen of the male musk deer. Fresh musk is semi-liquid but dries to a grainy powder. But snake charmers have never killed snakes and sold their skin. They don't keep the snakes in bad conditions. Snakes are their treasure that they pass on from one generation to another. They even gift snakes to their daughters when they get married. Now, with this law, how will they earn their livelihood? So, they form a bean party and entertain people. Now, I will show you a glimpse of bean party. Do you know snakes are friends of farmers? You must be wondering that. How can snakes be friends of farmers? We are so much afraid of snakes. But yes, snakes are called friends of farmers because they eat the rats in the fields. Otherwise, rat would eat the crops. Now, let us see which other people depend on animals for their livelihood like snake charmers. Look, here is a picture of Madari. Madaris are people who keep monkeys and earn money by showing monkey dance and other shows. People keep bear to earn money by showing bear dance. Fortune tellers keep parrots. Many kinds of fortunes are written on cards and the cards are piled up. Parrot picks up a card to tell your fortune. A milkman keeps cows and buffaloes for selling milk. Poultry farmers keep chicken in great numbers to produce eggs and meat for food. Have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment of people? Have you ever seen a circus? Circus people entertain people by shows of different animals. Let's go to a circus and enjoy. Look how elephants are acting in different ways. An elephant trying to balance on two legs. An elephant trying to balance on a ball. Look, a rhino balancing with two legs on table. A magnificent tiger jumping through a ring of fire. What a tough training! Wow! See the amazing acts of birds. Now this is a picture of bullfight. Jallikattu is a type of bull riding event practiced in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. A bull is released into a crowd of people and participants attempt to grab the bull's hump. The practice was banned in 2014 by India's Supreme Court. Due to protests, the government of Tamil Nadu authorized the continuation of Jallikattu events. A cockfight is a blood sport between two cocks popular in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Jharkhand. Look how the cocks are fighting. Horse racing is a sport involving two or more horses ridden by jockeys over a set distance for competition to identify which of the horses is the fastest. Snakes are trapped in bamboo baskets by snake charmers, and certainly the snakes are not happy, like being in open jungle and fresh air. Animals are also kept in zoos. Animals in good zoos are certainly as happy as animals living in the wild. Food, water, a safe territory is provided in zoos. Some zoos are more safari-like, giving lots of open space. But some zoos cage them in small enclosures where there is no escape. Put yourself in their place and see how you feel. Do not tease animals in zoo. You are a guest in their home. They are sensitive and have feelings. Do not tap on the enclosures. Throw anything on them. Make noise or tease them. Zookeeper says if you put your finger in the enclosure, the tiger will bite you. Please be safe. Don't stand, sit, climb or lean on fences. If you fall, animals could eat you. So children, love animals and protect them. Animals should be saved by people for their magnificence and for their existence. Thank you children. Shall meet you again in my next class. Bye.